Welcome back to my channel. My name's Kenzie, and today we're doing Easy Bake. Today we are doing pizza. We're doing it. Instructions. What's this thing? Put them over to the side. That's it. Next, you're going to need the instructions and the ingredients. And on a pan, like looks like this. Grab a bowl like this. Put pizza sauce into the bowl. Is that it? Okay, that's it. A teaspoon into this. Carefully mix it together. Smell it. It's too dry, add a little bit more water. That's a little bit. Right there. It should look like this. Next, we're gonna make the cheese. In a bowl like this, take your cheese packet and pour it in. Add 1/2 teaspoon of water. I'll show it up. Cheese is all mixed. Get in a bowl like this and let's pour in the glaze. Pour in the glaze. It's how strong. Add 2 tablespoons of water to this bowl. And stir. That's a little bit. Now let's make the pizza dough. Pour the dough into this bowl. Let's pour it in. Oh, got them on the table. Add 1 tablespoon of water into the bowl. Together to form a dough. When it looks like this, add a pinch of flour into it. Pinch, just a pinch. Use your hands and use them to pick them up and make a ball. Sticky, add more flour. When it's in a ball like this, take your pizza pan and put it in the pizza. Get to spray your pizza pan. Now, take your ball and squish it down into the pan. Squish it down, squish it down. Squish it down, squish it down, squish it down, squish it down, squish it down. Take a brush like this and dip in here and spread it all over. Next, add your sauce. Now it's time for cheese. for 12 minutes. Use this part carefully because this part is hard. Like this. I'll take this and push it in. Now it's time to take it out of the Easy Bake Oven. Let's pull it out. It's done. This is the finished pizza. Let's try it. Good. The pizza was so good. Thank you for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. And that's the